Hello there. Nathan has requested, and thanks Nathan for reaching out to me about what type of setup I'm using on my Livescope pole. So I'm just going to do a very short video here for Nathan, anyone else who's interested in how I have got this set up. So basically, as you can see, this is the pole, and it can go up and down that way, and it can go then down. By undoing that, I can slide it down that way, up and down. Sorry, it's not the best video, it's a bit hard on my phone. But basically, it is all set up by ram mounts. So these are the D-size ram mounts here. And there is a special connection you can get through Transducer Poles Australia. So all the connectors are ram, and then all the poles. So this is a graphite pole. You can get a metal pole. I've gone for the thin graphite because the tides are pretty strong up here, so the less the resistance the better. But the pole, the pole handle all the way down to here, which joins into the ram, is by Transducer Pole Australia. These are the mounts here that again the owner has got in contact with ram and had special ram mounts made, so this will fit. Sorry, I'm gonna have to do this up. So this can slide in and out on that, so that's how then I can put it to bed down on the floor. There is where I usually keep it there. So same with the sounder, I use the same mount there, and use the same setup. Now, initially when I got the boat made by Custom Works here in Darwin, I had this mount welded on for the pole. My main thoughts were to use it off of here, but it's actually quite difficult to sit in the seat, and you're fishing that way, you're turning that way, it's a pain in the butt. So I made up a mount myself. I took some aluminium and some U-bolts and put that together there. So that just sits in there now. Same type of setup as the pole. And I can sit back and I can see my screen and point the transducer wherever I want to, which is usually straight, like that. And because there's a Garmin slightly down, the Lowrance will be a bit further up. And yeah, that's it.